Maintaining a healthy home and garden free from harmful pesticides and chemicals is not only beneficial for the garden, it also promotes the well-being of your family, your pets, and local wildlife. Natural, non-harmful products offer effective alternatives for pest control and garden maintenance without the adverse effects associated with synthetic chemicals. So we're going to take a look at a few of the many items, most of which you probably already have, that can help keep your garden pest-free without harmful chemicals. Neem oil. As an insecticide, neem oil disrupts the life cycle of insects at all stages, the egg, the larva, and the adult, making it effective against aphid, whiteflies, and even squash bugs. Mix it with water and a few drops of dish soap and spray it on your plants. As a fungicide, it prevents fungal diseases like powdery mildew and rust when sprayed on affected plants. Diatomaceous earth. For insect control, sprinkle it around plant bases and on leaves to dehydrate and kill soft-bodied insects like slugs, beetles, and squash bugs. Reapply after rain or watering. For indoor pest control, sprinkle it in corners, along baseboards, and other areas where insects like ants and cockroaches are found. Companion plants. For a pest repellent, nasturtiums deter aphids, whiteflies, and squash bugs. Marigolds repel nematodes and other insects. Radishes can act as trap crops, attracting pests away from main crops. Garlic and hot peppers. As a repellent spray, you blend garlic and hot peppers with water to create this natural repellent spray. This mixture deters a wide range of insects when sprayed on plants. Beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings. For biological control, release the ladybugs and lacewings into the garden to naturally prey on aphids, mealybugs, and other pests. Planting dill, fennel, and cilantro attracts these beneficial insects. And you can actually order both ladybugs and lacewings to release into your garden. And you can also purchase lacewing eggs to sprinkle into your garden to hatch. Soap. As an insecticidal soap, you mix a few tablespoons of soap with water and spray it directly onto those soft-bodied insects like the aphids and the mites to kill them on contact. As an ant deterrent, use the soap and water mixture to disrupt ant trails and kill ants on contact. Essential oils like lavender, peppermint, and rosemary. As a repellent spray, mix the essential oils with water and spray around the home and garden to repel mosquitoes, ants, and other insects. Lavender and peppermint oils are particularly effective. For indoor pest repellent, place muslin bags filled with dried lavender or rosemary in closets, drawers, and under pillows to repel moths and other insects. Row covers. For a physical barrier, use lightweight row covers to protect plants from insect pests while allowing light and water to pass through. Remove the covers during flowering for pollination. Trap plants like the blue Hubbard squash. This is a pest attractant. Plant blue Hubbard squash to lure squash bugs away from your main crops. Once concentrated on this trap crop, remove and destroy the infested plants. Herbs like dill, fennel, and cilantro. Attract beneficial insects. Plant these herbs to attract beneficial insects like parasitic wasps, ladybugs, and lacewings, which help control pest populations naturally. As a repellent, basil planted near doorways and windows can help repel flies and mosquitoes. Natural household ingredients like baking soda, vinegar, and powdered sugar. For an ant treatment, mix powdered sugar and baking soda in equal parts and place it in small containers where ants are found. The sugar attracts ants and the baking soda disrupts their digestive system, killing them. You can also disturb their mound and then sprinkle this mixture directly on top. They will take it into the mound. Cleaning and repelling. Use vinegar as a natural cleaner and repellent. It can deter ants and other pests when sprayed around entry points and on surfaces. Mildew and fungus control. Baking soda mixed with water can be sprayed on plants to prevent and treat fungal infections. Weed control. Mix original Dawn dish soap with 1 cup of salt and 1 gallon of vinegar in a 2-gallon sprayer. This can be used as a natural weed and grass killer. Reapply as needed or after rain. Cedar chips. Cedar chips can be placed in garden beds around the perimeter of the home and in closets to repel moths, ants, and other insects due to their natural aromatic properties. Utilizing natural, non-harmful products and methods to keep your home and garden free of pesticides is an effective and sustainable approach. Utilizing these natural solutions not only safeguards your environment, it also contributes to a healthier lifestyle for you and your family and doesn't harm your garden.